Good morning, everyone. I welcome you to my class. Today we will learn about conjunctions. There are three kinds of conjunctions: coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, and subordinating conjunctions. In the last video, we had completed about coordinating conjunction. In today's video, we will learn about correlative conjunction and subordinating conjunction. So let's get going. Correlative conjunctions. They are two words coordinating conjunction used to join words, phrases, and sentences of equal importance. They are always used in pair. Some of the correlative conjunctions are so that, either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also, whether or. Now we will see one by one correlative conjunctions with example. Number 1, so that. So that connects cause and effect. Example, this is so hot that it can burn the fingers. In this, it shows the effect, burn the finger. Either or, it connects two choices. Either you do not know how to swim or you are nervous. Next one is neither nor. It connects negative alternatives. Neither the wall nor the doors have been painted. Both and. It presents pieces of information. She speaks both French and German. In this, French and German are different pieces of information which are joined together using the conjunction both and. Next one is not only but also. It connects element of equal importance. She writes the lyrics of not only film songs but also patriotic songs. Whether or. I do not know whether this is her imagination or she actually saw it. Some of the points to be remembered about some of the conjunctions are: number 1, when we use correlative conjunction either or and neither nor, the verb must agree with the subject closest to it. Let us understand with example. Either the cats or the dog has messed this up. In this, if you notice, we have the two subject, the cats and the dog. We have the dog which is nearest to the verb and the dog is singular subject, and so we have used the singular verb has. Next example, neither the captain nor the players are happy. In this sentence also we have two subject, the captain and the players. The players are plural in number, so we have used the plural verb are. Next one is both and. It uses a plural verb. Both the jam and the sauces have gone bad. In this, we have used the plural verb have. Next one is subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions join clauses. The clause introduced by the subordinating conjunctions add extra information to the main clause and does not make complete sense on its own. It makes sense only in relationship with the main clause. Now this point we will understand with example. Number 1, they are late because there is a traffic jam. In this sentence, there is a traffic jam is a clause which is introduced by the subordinating conjunction because. And if we just say if this clause depends on the main clause for its complete meaning, and the main clause is they are late. So the clause depends on the main clause for its complete meaning. It cannot stand alone. Next example, I will not speak unless there is a complete silence. There is a complete silence is a clause which is introduced by the subordinating conjunction unless, and the clause depends on the main clause for its complete meaning. This is a chart where we can understand some of the subordinating conjunctions and the ideas which are connected to and some of the examples. Number 1 is where and wherever. It is used to talk about place. Example, the lamb would go wherever Mary went. Next one is as if, as though. It is used to show manner. You must wrap it as you were shown. She speaks as if she knows it all. When, after, before, whenever, while, until, since. These are the subordinating conjunctions which are used to talk about a point of time. You can do the dishes after you have eaten. He was humming while he was driving. Next one, so, because, since, as, and for. These conjunctions are used to talk about cause or reason. The elephant is hungry as nobody has fed it. Even though, although, still, whereas, and while. These are the conjunctions used to talk about the ideas which are related to contrast, that means opposite, or comparison. When we compare, I went along although I had some work to do. Yours are colorful while mine look dull. The last is if, unless, and until. It is used for condition. You should dive only if you are confident. Keep smiling like this and keep studying. Have a nice day.